Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today I am located in the comune of San Vito dei Normanni, and what I'm showing you today is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property which is pretty much ready to be moved into. It does have a swimming pool and it's actually rather cute, 130 square meters of property, so it's actually a really good size. But without further ado, let's start to show you the property itself. So this is the front of the property. And you can see we've actually got a really good size veranda here. So important to have these spaces. It is summer here now in Puglia, so the heat is being felt. This feels amazing to have because it's actually a room in itself, and probably where you're going to be spending most of your time in a property like this, especially at this time of the day as the sun kind of goes round the property. So really nice to have a large veranda at the entrance of the house, so very nice to have that. Let's start to go inside the property. And the thing I liked about this place is a difference with many of these properties we're seeing. This has a good amount of living space, and that's always something I'm looking for. So it's not just bedroom, bathroom setups. It's definitely not just a holiday home. This is a home which can be lived in all year round. Now what you're seeing is we've got a wood burner for heating in here, but the house does actually have air conditioning that does also do heating as well. And you can see this is actually a really good size room that you enter to. So this is kind of a living stroke lounge area that you have here. You've got a nice window from the entrance as well as a good size entrance door here. So really decent size room to come into. Now I'm going to walk through to the first of the 3 bedrooms. And you can just see how large this bedroom is. Tons of space here, both between, you've got lots of storage space as well as obviously the bed space as well. So really a nice room here, and I love that you have an exit onto this cute little courtyard area. So we're going to show you it better from the other side because it says actually connected to another of the bedrooms. If you just look to the right hand side there, we do have another of the bedrooms, but we're going to go out there from the other side. I just kind of want to walk back through the property to lead you to the next room. Now just before we kind of skip this, we do have this bathroom here. I'm just wondering if I can turn the light on. So you can see we've got a washing machine in here, sink, decent sized shower and the toilet. So nice that you've got that ensuite bathroom for the first of the bedrooms we're seeing. So this area here kind of leads you down to the dining area and kitchen area, whilst this corridor here leads us to the other 2 bedrooms with the bathroom. So we're going to go through this bedroom first. And you can see here tons of light. So this is the other bedroom I mentioned that is just off of that courtyard we saw from the other side. And we're getting all the sun kind of coming in because obviously this is on the side of the property in terms of the actual light. And again, a really good sized room here. We've got a few beds in here at the moment, so unnecessary in most cases, but obviously the double bed fits in incredibly well. And then you've got storage space here as well. Ceilings are nice and tall, and you also have the fan here for cooling as well as the air conditioning that does do heating as well. I'm a huge fan of this little courtyard area. It's very cutely done. I love that they've got the little table with the lemons. You've got to have the little table with the lemons. I think it could be even nicer. I think the bones of this structure are really nice. And I think actually you could raise the level of the quality of it really easily without spending an absolute fortune. I also like that there is this gate that kind of leads you to the back garden area. And again, even this area here, I think there's a lot more that can be done. And you can kind of also get a little sneak preview of the swimming pool just as you look round to the right there. So very nice to have that as well. But obviously we'll be finishing up at the swimming pool. It is actually a very large swimming pool, very nice to have. It's one of the old style pools that they were allowing larger pools back in the day. Now they no longer allow these types of pools. So very nice to have. Here we're coming through to another bedroom, and again, really good sized bedroom, tons of light. I like these large windows with lots of light coming in. Again, we've got the air conditioning units that also do the heating, and we've got plenty of storage space dotted around here. Again, I think it's going to be an easy property to just, kind of remove the furniture, change a few things around, maybe give a nice paint of white, and I think this property is just going to feel completely different. Although it's already feeling good, as I said, the bare bones here are very nice. And you can see just how large this bathroom is. It's a really nice bathroom, tons of space, really good size shower here. But we also have the bathtub, so very nice to have. You've kind of got that. And again, really good size bathroom here. Nice sink, toilet, lovely to have the bathtub as well. And again, this is kind of catering to these two bedrooms down here that we've just seen. So walking back, the corridor feels spacious. The house feels spacious. That's what I loved about it. Feels like there's a very good feel around the place. And you just feel like there's lots of different corners that you can enjoy at different times of the day. Here we've got a bit of a dining room. So this is actually just off of the kitchen. So you've got an option to use this as a dining room, so a good amount of space in here. And it kind of leads you through to yet another area where I guess when you're not dining with friends and you just need a smaller table to eat at, lovely to have this much light coming in. You've got tons of windows, views here, so you kind of got views onto the entrance way here. And obviously a decent, cute space that you've got here as well. We do actually have the wood burner here as well. And we do actually have a pizza oven, which is no longer in use, but obviously, potentially, if someone wanted to, you could maybe use that again. But the wood burner, obviously, for the heating. And then this leads me into the last room of the house, and actually, a really good size kitchen. I think it's a really nice size, and this is nice also because you've got the exit onto the back of the property. So obviously eating outside most of the year is definitely possible to do here in Puglia. This is a really good sized kitchen. I know you kind of compare it to the kitchens that we usually take on. It's quite rare to find one this size. So very nice to have this size of a kitchen. It's kind of got everything you need. But also, as I was mentioning, lovely to have this exit onto the back of the property. So then you've kind of got this table and chair situation here. So really good size. You've got the kind of shade of this pergola here. So really nice that you can eat outside. This is where you're going to be eating. Again, I think, a beautiful wooden table with nicer chairs. This is going to make this feel a lot different. You've got quite a few flower beds here. So they've got a little bit of a garden going on around on this side. So also very nice to have. And it's also quite well kept. And then if we just come round here, just briefly show you this little area. There's a little bit of a storage units here, so they've got a lot of the swimming pool equipment, little table and chair here. Nice that we've got the bougainvillea kind of in this corner. But then finally we get to this really big swimming pool. Again, very rare to find these pools because these were built before today's regulations. I just kind of want to walk around it so that I can kind of show you just how large it is. It does have a deep end as well. But I think in all, it's actually a really cute package. And if you come from this side and look back at the property, it's actually got tons of potential to make it even that much better. There is actually a solar panel also, which you haven't mentioned, for the warm water, so you do have that as well. But I'm just looking at it from a perspective of what could be done to just raise the level of it. And there's a lot here to love to begin with. Again, 130 square meters. I'm not sure if we mentioned the land is around 3,500 square meters of land. So it's a good plot without being too much. It is all walled around as well to the plot. And you can see you've got a mix of mainly olive trees, but I do see, I think that's a cherry tree, maybe a fig tree in the back, as well as prickly pears. But I just think, how much potential does this property have? And I also think, obviously, this area can be an area which a lot of people could be interested in investing in, because you get a lot more for your money in these locations. So I think everyone's going to be pleasantly surprised by the asking price, especially when we're talking about a 3-bedroom property, 130 square meters, with a really large swimming pool of this kind. One thing I haven't mentioned, I was completely forgetting, a massive plus factor is this property has an artesian well. So you've got no issues for water. That is a huge deal. It's already been dug, so you already have that. Again, so it's a property that doesn't need substantial work, but I think just more of a facelift, and this is going to be one of those ones that you can really raise the value quite significantly. Anyway, I think that's pretty much everything I needed to say on this property, but obviously if you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.